As you can see, the phone is locked with the Google account. Look at this. Look at this. You see this lock, which means the phone is locked with the Google account. Don't worry. This is Mobicel F52. Mobicel F52. So today we are going to use CM2 to unlock this device. We are going to use CM2. Yeah. Ready? Then select service. Select here. Then select FRP and do it. You can see the app is gone. Now going to complete settings. Skip. Done. Boom. Done. Boom. Then you are done.